Alright, now the next part of the clubs and organizations is we need to get the news to show up in different sections of the web page. For instance, it needs to show up in this section, and then it needs to show up on the clubs and organization home page. So what we are going to do is go back to the administration manual. We're going to go to the module manager, and we're looking for two different modules. You want the ones that read Mod Ada News. So we want clubs and organizations home. And if we go to limit output and scroll down, we can see that it should be in here. And you can see as I'm progressing through these, all the blue lines are news. So what it's doing is it's pulling all the news from these different categories. Now I'll just keep scrolling down until we find it. I'm not sure where it's at. It might be all the way to the bottom if it's the last one. Sometimes this one reads it a little bit different. So I'll just keep pouncing through here. And this one basically reads it as they're being installed versus the order they're in. So that's probably part of the reason why it's going to be farther down on the list. You can see one of the clubs creeped in there. And there it is. Gay Straight Alliance is right there. Before you click on it, you want to hold your control key and then click on it. And then go ahead and hit save. And then we want to go to the clubs and organizations and do that one too. And then go to limit output again, and we can just scroll all the way to the bottom and then start from the bottom, work our way up. And find it here. There it is. Hold your control key and then hit news, and then go ahead and hit save. And now what we're going to do is we're going to test this example out to see how it works across the board. So we're going to go to content. It's going to be article manager. We're going to select section is going to be Gay Straight Alliance. And from there what we'll do is go ahead and click on new. And we'll just do testing. And one of the things is if you want it to show up on these pages, we're actually going to have to click on front page, yes, and then we'll just type in testing 101 and then go ahead and hit save. And so that one should be in. So if we go back to refresh, you can see it showed up here on the home page, and if we go to clubs, it showed up here, and then if we go to Gay Straight Alliance, it showed up there. So we got it exactly set the way that we want to. So the news section is done, and all the news will show up done in those categories. So we'll go back and then just delete that, so we can just hit trash. And now once we hit refresh, it should be gone again. No more, and then no more, and then on the home page, no more. So that's basically how we go ahead and enter in our club news and make sure it gets put over to the main pages. Thanks for watching this tutorial. We'll see you at the next one.